Hello and welcome to Berkston Law Office's YouTube channel, where we are fighting for the underdog. We are Colorado's premier animal attorney law firm. Today I would like to discuss with you what to do if your ex steals your dog. Now, these rules and guidance only applies to unmarried couples. So if you were married and you're fighting over your dog with your ex-spouse, you will need to take that up with a property settlement agreement and a divorce attorney. If your ex steals your dog, and I hear this happens all the time, you really don't have much recourse other than to turn to civil court. Oftentimes the police will not get involved because they consider it a civil matter, and you cannot just go onto your ex's property and take your dog back, even if the dog does belong to you, because you could get charged with criminal trespassing. The best thing you can do is go to civil court, usually in your lowest level court wherever you live. If it's in Colorado, it would be county court, and you would sue in what's called replevin. Replevin would apply to any lawsuit involving property, and because animals are considered property in Colorado and around the country, this is the ancient property law doctrine that you would turn to. Some court systems are more familiar with replevin actions than others, so please read all the rules carefully to make sure you do everything right, because depending on where you live, you might be the one educating the judge on replevin actions. Under replevin, you sue for custody of the dog, possession of the dog. In Colorado, and generally in most jurisdictions, the first step is to do what's called a show cause hearing. That hearing is usually set very quickly after the paperwork is filed. Once it's filed, you have to serve the other party. In Colorado, you have to serve them 7 days prior to the show cause hearing, which is set 2 weeks after the date of the complaint is filed. At the show cause hearing, you present evidence to determine who should be in possession of the dog pending trial. Trial is then scheduled out at some point depending on the court's calendar, and at trial, that's when the ultimate issues of ownership are determined. So that is a quick and dirty primer on how to get your dog back in a dog custody dispute involving unmarried couples. I hope this helps. Please feel free to check out my website and my blog for more information. Thanks very much and have a great day.